Hi, I am Grazia Vigliotti, Director at Gradbase, and I lead the Cybersecurity and the Business Development.
Hi, I'm Alberto Capitani. I'm founder of Gradbase and lead engineer.
Founded in 2016, Gradbase is a British company that is operating at the intersection of the education and regulatory sectors. We have developed a blockchain-based credentialing platform that enables institutions from all over the world and of any size to issue digital qualifications that are tamper-proof, easily shareable and instantaneously verifiable from parties all over the world.
Fast forward to today, and Gradbase is both GDPR compliant and has built relationships with several UK, EU and Middle Eastern universities that share with us the goal of building a future that enables worldwide social mobility and brings much needed efficiency to qualification checks.
Today, it is expensive and inefficient to issue and verify personal records. Employers wish to attract talents from all over the world, but they need to phone and email institutions to verify the authenticity of personal records. Institutions break the bank to build bespoke, expensive and non-interoperable solutions. Finally, individuals have difficulties in providing trustworthy evidence for their skills.
Gradbase solves all of these problems at once. With Gradbase, institutions issue digital qualifications that are permanently anchored on the blockchain. By design, the blockchain is secure, always available and tamper-proof, meaning that data can never be falsified. These records are then encoded into QR codes that are portable, easily shareable and scanned in just a few seconds, drastically reducing the time needed to perform background checks.
Let's see how it works.
Our candidate, Ted, shares his qualifications via the QR codes placed on his paper CV and his LinkedIn profile. These codes also show the logo of the issuing institution. By clicking a qualification on his LinkedIn profile, the corresponding QR code is revealed. Using the QR code, we can verify the qualification via a reader app, which is freely available for download on any mobile phone. The QR code, when scanned, reveals the original qualification, accompanied by a picture of Ted to avoid impersonation attempts. By clicking on the green button, marked Verified, the validating transaction on the Bitcoin blockchain will be revealed and can be inspected in more detail. Universities, educational or professional institutions can issue digital qualifications by simply accessing Gradbase's services at www.gradbat.se. If HEC Paris wants to issue new qualifications for a batch of graduated students, all that is needed are the relevant details of the candidates, contained in an Excel spreadsheet. This spreadsheet can be uploaded onto the platform from any PC or laptop. The records are then spell-checked and confirmation sought prior to sending the data to the blockchain. Within a few minutes after the university clicks send, Ted and all students involved will automatically receive an email. This email contains the QR code itself and a summary of the details of the qualification issued. If there is any mistake, Ted will inform the university, which can then revoke the qualification and issue a corrected one. Each university has a unique identifier that is permanently tied to the qualification when on the blockchain. TED's qualification on the blockchain shows the same HEC Paris unique identifier. With Gradbase, universities get rewarded for every single verification of qualifications issued by them. They can use the analytics tools provided to get insights on how often and from where digital qualifications are being verified by third parties all over the world. Universities thereby gain knowledge on the careers of their graduates. Amongst other things, universities can quickly keep track of all the digital qualifications issued. TED can now collect all qualifications issued by the various educational institutions he attended and can keep them in his Gradbase portfolio. It represents his professional history. TED now controls his own data and can add trusted qualifications easily. Crucially, he has now a lot more insight into how his credentials are performing and can download his QR codes at will. Even better, he can generate a QR code for his entire portfolio. Should the CV or the portfolio grad code not be available, that's not a problem. Our smart search feature allows employers to type the candidate's name and be redirected to their portfolio in an instant. Thanks to Gradbase, millions of job candidates around the world will suddenly be more trustworthy. Employers will hire with confidence, and institutions will stop answering emails and calls about personal records. Instead, the institution's brand will travel the world with the QR codes. So what are you waiting for? Make your qualifications shine with Gradbase.